Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to tether your iPhone's connection using DiscoRecorder from the App Store. I have a VNC set up on my iPhone so you guys can see what's going on my iPhone as well as the laptop. We're going to start by going up to Wi-Fi and we're going to create a network. You can name it whatever you'd like, it doesn't really matter. Channel and security stay exactly the same. Once you've named the network, go ahead and click Create. After that's done, we're going to go back up to the Wi-Fi and open the network preferences. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi here, and we're going to click Advanced, click Proxies, and for this purpose we're going to be using a web and a SOCKS proxy. So first we're going to need to connect to the ad hoc network from the iPhone to get an IP address. So we'll go here and tap ad hoc. Now it will take a second to grab an IP address, which is what you're going to need to put in the web proxy and SOCKS proxy fields, so just be patient. You can go back and forth into the actual part of it, this part of it, and see if it has an IP address. It will take a few seconds, however. Alright, now that we've got the IP address, we're going to go into the web proxy and check that and type the IP address that you get. In this instance, you can see here what the IP address is. Now, for the port on web proxy, we're going to be using port 6667, and on the SOCKS proxy, we're going to be doing 6668. Same IP address for both, however. Alright, double check that you have the IP addresses correct and also the ports are in the right place. Once you're done doing that, click OK and apply. You can close out of the settings now and we're going to go into DiscoRecorder. From here, we're going to go into the Recordings tab, and as you can see, I've already got a file. The name of it is pearsauce269.aac. It does specifically need to be named this, and it is case sensitive, so please be aware of that. To rename any file, just tap the iTunes icon and you can rename it from there. Once you're done renaming it, go ahead and tap OK and turn on the HTTP server. Ignore port 20,000, that is simply just to get the audio files off the iPhone if you want. So from there, tap OK, and we're going to go into, close this out, open up Safari, go to, as you can see, it pulls up the websites. You can go wherever you like. Your iPhone is now sharing the application. You don't need to be in the DiscoRecorder. You can close it out and the tether will still stay active as long as you're connected to the ad hoc, or until you turn it off, one of the two. That is it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and hope you enjoy. Get it while it's still there, guys.